So welcome everybody. Today I would like to talk a little bit about my course Applied FX Trading, or how you can make some money with the Brexit chaos. I selected a very important slide, which is about a so-called stop entry order. And stop entry orders are good to implement a so-called breakout strategy. A stop entry order is an order to buy above the current market rate or to sell below the current market rate. Why could this make sense in the Brexit discussion? So on 29th of March at about 3:30 in the afternoon, it was the case that this guy asked for a vote with respect to the Brexit. And so in about 15 minutes I can expect that the result of this vote will be declared, and it will be either the case that the Brexit will occur as planned, or there is another no vote against the Brexit deal offered by Theresa May. So I can expect that either the exchange rate of the British pound will go up, or that the exchange rate will go down. So I expect that the exchange rate will break out of the range. So you can see here the development of the exchange rate euro against the British pound in the morning and the early afternoon. The exchange rate is trading in a range of 0.8568. the lower bound, and the upper bound 0.8616. So now I expect the following. In case that the outcome of the vote is yes to the Brexit deal, I expect an appreciation of the British pound, so the exchange rate will go down, and then I want to have a sell signal here because I expect that afterwards the exchange rate will move down even further, and I want to profit from it. However, in case that the vote is no, then I expect that the exchange rate will go up, the British pound is weak, and then I want to buy at this point, and I expect that the exchange rate will move upwards even further. So this is the idea of a breakout strategy, that we have a range where the exchange rate is trading right now. An important information will be released, and due to this important information, the exchange rate will break out of the range and will continue to move in this kind of direction. Yeah, so right now I have plugged in these orders, a sell order at 0.8568 and a buy order of at 0.8616. It is the case that the politicians have delivered their vote. They are gathering again in the parliament, and the exchange rate is still in this range here. But look at this point. It seems to be the case that the exchange rate is moving upwards already before the outcome of the vote is announced. The British pound is weak, and perhaps it will be the case that the upper bound will be reached. Now the upper bound will be was reached. It is the case that now I have an open position here. I will switch to the other frame, open position. You can see here that right now I'm making money on that, so now I switch to the open position, and you can see that I already made a profit of 500, 600 euros in a few minutes, because so now the lobby is completely full with all politicians. You can see here my profit is 1,100 euros. Exchange rate is going upwards, upwards, upwards. This is what I expected. So in case that the upper limit is reached, I expected that the British pound will be weak.
Order! Order!
The ayes to the right, 286. The noes to the left, 344.
The ayes to the right, 286. The noes to the left, 344. So the noes have it, the noes have it. Unlock! Point of order, the Prime Minister.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I think it should be a matter of profound regret to every member of this House that once again we have been unable to support leaving the European Union in an orderly fashion.
So it is the case that I closed this position a few minutes later. So I opened the position at 3:34 on German time, and I closed this position 20 minutes later at 3:54. The timing here in my trading desk is wrong because it's not German time. The profit I made on this position is 17.6 points, so I gained about 2,000 euros in a 20 minutes time. However, like the overall success of the strategy was okay, but not as I expected. I expected that when the upper part of this border was reached, we would see a very clear breakout. But this is not as clear as expected. The exchange rate was moving down again, so I decided to close this position here at this point in order to lock in my profits. So in this presentation I showed you how you can make some money with the Brexit chaos. Feel free to comment, feel free to ask some questions in order to improve my videos and in order to improve my lectures. Thank you very much for watching.